allowed to. Are we actually going? No, we are flag off on the seat number. Otherwise, we'll run you down. Okay, go ahead.
Mungkin sekarang ini contoh bos, semua sudah bingung.
We are very happy today that we have launched the e-buses under the PM eBus Sewa program, and we have launched 3 electric buses, and we will be launching another 47 very soon, and this will be a very strong network of public transportation throughout the city and also to the peripheries. Number 2 is that the entire system of running public service and the public transportation has changed with this new buses being implemented, where it's not about the profit making by selling tickets for the buses or the operator, but the government is paying them and ensuring that the services are on a timely basis, regular and reliable service, so that every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whether there's a passenger or not, the bus will move and passengers will know exactly when the next bus will come. So that is the kind of model that we are implementing. Number 3, we are also encouraging our citizens to start transiting into e-vehicles, and that is something that we've been trying to push. As you're aware, that the registration and the taxes on vehicles which are electric is 0, and that there'll be no registration, nothing. There is of course one notification which was there for last 3 years, which automatically expired. We are renewing it next week in the cabinet, but the message is, larger message is that that registration is not required and registration fees is not there for electric vehicles. And what a lot of people don't understand is that electric vehicles are very much viable in hill stations also. They work very well because vehicles charge as you go downhill because of the resistance, and therefore it is a plus minus game, and the net effect is always on a positive. And more importantly, when it comes to actually charging the vehicles, you can charge the vehicles at home, so you don't have to go to a charging station to charge the vehicles. This is a very big misconception that people have. They think that they have to go to a charging station to charge. No, you can charge it at home. It's a very small unit that comes along with the vehicle, and every morning or every 2-3 days you can charge as per your requirements. So these are the important messages that we gave today, and I hope that the e-bus system, the public transportation and the utility of electric vehicles will go up in the days to come.
for the public service like city bus, do have paid?
Yeah, so basically what it is that these are of course owned by the government because it's government of India that's given. Then we have got a person who's going to run these buses and a vendor who's going to run it, and this obviously is done by a transparent mechanism. And once the vendor is there to run the services, then accordingly a price will be put in. But as I said, the profitability for the vendors will not come from the ticket selling, but there will be a guaranteed amount that the government will give, and to ensure, as I said, that it is not about waiting for customers and waiting for the bus to be full, but more importantly ensuring that the buses leave on time and that reliability is there for the customers and passengers, so that it can become a proper public service and transportation system in the future. Thank you.